So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk you through our listing, fellow teammate Ashley Bias's listing at Lagoon Run. We are down West Beach, past the pass, and we are in a coveted west corner direct lagoon front unit. This unit is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,056 square feet. It's got a lot of closet space, a lot of storage in this unit, open floor plan, and we are listed at $475,000. Really cool feature, other than being direct lagoon front, is there is a boat launch. There is first come, first serve slips. There is a covered dock where you can fish, hang out, have lunch, watch the sunset, whatever the case may be. You have got some great boat facilities here, as well as deeded beach access across the street. And that's a really big deal if you're not going to be direct Gulf front, to have that deeded beach access. So you really get the best of both worlds here. So if you were looking for a quiet second home, or something that you could come down here and stay in and also rent when you're not using it, this property would definitely be one you would want to check out, to come take a look with us. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about what it's like to live here, vacation here, own property here, current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we are going to walk through teammate Ashley Bias's listing here at Lagoon Run. This complex was built in 1984. It is in excellent condition. They've done a really good job maintaining this building. You're going to want to check this one out, so come take a look with us.
For a place to call your own, a little slice of heaven, or a getaway home. Lagoon Run is calling your name, where the sunsets and views will never be the same. Wrap around balcony, just steps from the pool. Lagoon side living, yeah, it's oh so cool. Deeded beach access, feel the sand in your toes. This is the life where the good vibes flow. Welcome to Lagoon Run, where the sunsets shine. Corner unit, lagoon views, everything's fine. Fish off the dock or launch your kayak. This is the place where there's no looking back. Engineered plank floors, feeling so right. Queen beds, bunk beds, sleep tight every night. New windows and doors, fresh paint inside. Every detail's perfect, a home full of pride. With 2 covered spots right under your door. Boat slips waiting, you don't need more. Barbecue grills and green space to play. This is where you're meant to stay. Welcome to Lagoon Run, where the sunsets shine. Corner unit, lagoon views, everything's fine. Fish off the dock or launch your kayak. This is the place where there's no looking back. Stroll across the street, feel the beach breeze. Let the waves wash away all your worries with ease. Break place where there's no looking back. Lagoon Run, it's a must-see dream.
All right, we come in here and we have a really nice, spacious living room. Nice, spacious dining area. You can see you've got a pretty good size dining table here. And this is engineered hardwood, although it feels and looks like tile to me. Really nice flooring in here. So the windows and the balcony sliders were replaced in the last few years. Great view as you're dining. Great view as you're watching TV. We'll go out and check out the view in just a second. You got a nice entry closet there for storage. And good size kitchen here. Appliances were all replaced here within the last few years, and we've got a pantry there. AC closet here. And this will be the guest bathroom here. And just your typical tub insert, tub and shower here. And this is your first guest bedroom. Decent sized guest bedroom here. Standard closet there. Got another closet here at the end of the hallway. And bunk room. Queen on the bottom. Looks like an extra large twin on the top. And yet another closet here in this bedroom. It's nice to have that extra closet space. And this is going to be your primary bedroom here. And the primary actually has two closets. One they are utilizing as an owner's closet, which is really nice to have. And primary shower here. And another tub insert. Let's check out the outside. Look at that beautiful view here. Oh, so pretty. Nice, lot of space out here. And I've got a electric grill, which is allowed. And that, there's a little swinging door there that takes you to stairs here. Takes you right on down to the water. You can see people are storing their kayaks there. You can see the boat slips. And you can see the covered pier where they've got a swing and some picnic tables.
Of heaven, or a getaway home. Lagoon Run, it's calling your name. Where the sun sets and views will never be the same. Wrap around balcony, just steps from the pool. Lagoon side living, yeah.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed our little tour of Lagoon Run. This unit is unit 201. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The property taxes on it are about $2,500, and the condo dues are $627 a month. As I mentioned, a lot of amenities here that you've seen. Deeded beach access across the street, and we are just a little bit a ways from the pass, which is a very popular spot to hang out hang out by the pass. And that beach area there is a really popular spot. There's parking there and a public beach there. So Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.